Okay, so in this video what we're going to do is set up the views for over here and also the extra one that's down here. This can be done on all of them. I don't need the extra view down here. We'll explain that here in a little bit. But every other view for the bearing, truck wheel, all that kind of stuff does need this one. I'm using this one as an example just because everything's set up on one sheet then. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to place views. You're going to click somewhere other than on the piece of paper so you're not selecting anything. You're going to hit section. You're going to come down here and we're going to cut the front view. That's the one that we're going to use to be able to draw where we're going to cut from. You go to the center, but you do not click on the center. You go straight up, you click above the part, you go to the center and you click there. You come out and your third click will be out here to the very far right. Once you click there, you right click and hit continue. Drag this over here to the right hand side way out over here and you hit OK. From there we have the section view. You can see by the little splices that it's partially cut. You have solid lines right here. These are hidden. These are visible, so that's why they're solid. From there you're going to go up to projected. And what projected does, it allows you to add other views. So if you forgot a view like this one, you could click on the front and you go straight up and you could add that one. If you wanted to do a left view or a bottom view, if you wanted to do different 3D views, you could add those ones. If you wanted to add a back view, you come to the right and you could bring this over and add a back view. But what we want to do is hit projected. You're going to click on the 3D cut view, the section view. And come straight up, move the mouse back and forth till you get the 3D view that matches the solid one over here. You're going to click once, right click, create. Gives you an uncolored one. I'm going to move it over here and I'm going to double click on it. To color it, it is a different step, process, whatever, but basically all you're going to do is just uncheck mark this and then you can color it and hit OK. Colors it. We're going to go over here to detail now and we're going to do the zoomed in section of the drawing. And to do that, we only need to do it on the idler pulley. So go to detail, we zoom into this view, and basically where I want the center of my zoom to be is where I'm going to click my mouse first. So I'm just going to click here, I'm going to click once more, and I'm going to move outward. And basically I want it to encircle everything that I want to be in that view. So something like this, I'm going to click, I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to bring it down over here off to the side and in between these two. I zoom out. This is off the paper. You can move it by clicking and holding and moving it up. If this comes off, just scooch it up a little bit. Now to add in the 250 and the 21 measurement that is on there, we go to annotate, dimension, or D on the keyboard for short. We click on the top arc right here. We just bring that over here. If you go down here, it gives it a line all the way down. You go up here, gives us a line pointing at it. I'm going to click there. For the 21, we click on this edge. We come out here, and you'll notice there's two green dots. There's 1, 2. We want the one to the right. So I click on the one to the right. If you go straight up, it should be 21. If it gives you this measurement, which is 19.92, hit escape, choose here, and go to the next button over. From there, you have all of your other dimensions on the PDF. You can start dimensioning this. Pick the best spots where you can see stuff. You may end up putting quite a few dimensions over here. You may not. It is all entirely kind of up to you. Do not dimension to hidden lines if you can. There is one hole through here, so you do have to point at that one. But that is it for this video.